So after the BJP-led Mahayuti's spectacular victory in Maharashtra elections, the question is, who will be Chief Minister? Let me get you the latest from the Shiv Sena camp, and the Shiv Sena is rooting for Eknath Shinde to continue as Chief Minister. Shiv Sena sources are telling India Today it's only Eknath Shinde, the grassroots man, the man who's truly inherited the mantle and the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. And the voters have voted for him as the real Shiv Sena. Only he can keep the Uddhav Sena in check. Shiv Sena sources are telling India Today that Shinde can consolidate on this victory, consolidate the Maratha pride for future victories, and not just in the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, but in the municipal elections that are coming up in a couple of months. So Sena sources are saying it's the Shinde that destroyed the Congress in its stronghold. Sena sources are also saying that continuity at this point of time, it's extremely important to build on the good governance model that the people have voted for, especially after the setback in Lok Sabha elections. It's just months after that that the spectacular victory has come, and that is why it's the Shinde-led government that killed the anti-BJP sentiment that was emerging in Lok Sabha. At least that is what the Shiv Sena camp is telling India Today reporters. And I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Piyush Mishra for more on this. Piyush, we are told there are prayers that are going on, there are meetings that are going on, and there is hectic lobbying for Eknath Shinde to remain Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But bring us the thinking. Why is it that Shiv Sena wants the Bihar model to be followed in Maharashtra?
Well, absolutely, Gaurav. One thing is very clear that right now, as we are speaking, Shinde Sena, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena is playing hardball for the top post in the state of Maharashtra, and they are not, compromising on Chief Ministerial post, and that is why what we are learning from our top sources from Shiv Sena that just after the debacle which Mahayuti faced in Lok Sabha, it was Eknath Shinde's governance which has helped to fight the anti-incumbency. It has also helped the BJP to grow. This is what Shinde feels. They are also saying, sources are telling us that the Marathi votes are going to be consolidated and will continue to support Mahayuti if Eknath Shinde once again made Chief Minister. At the same time, they are stressing upon the fact that very soon, in few months from now, we will have BMC elections and then municipal corporation elections across the state, and only the good governance model of Eknath Shinde can help the Mahayuti alliance to once again win over the heart of people. There are also the fact that the good governance model which has been given by Eknath Shinde should not be stopped, and looking at that only people have voted. One thing which we have also observed, Gaurav, is that in the past few days, even BJP leaders have also accepted that the Ladki Behna Yojana has done wonders for Mahayuti alliance. Now we'll have to wait and watch how things are further going to move from here. Eknath Shinde is playing hardball. At the same time, BJP workers are also demanding that Devendra Fadnavis should be made Chief Minister.
You know, last time it was Devendra Fadnavis who made that big sacrifice. And that was for the sake of the alliance, for the alliance to move forward, point one. Point two, he's also being credited for taking the Sangh, their help, the 60,000 odd meetings that were held. In all of it, he's the architect, as they say, for BJP's best ever performance of 132. BJP Karyakartas want him to be Chief Minister to take that victory forward. So what is the middle ground in this? How do they work on this when they meet the central leadership?
Well, as far as this meeting is concerned, what we are learning, Gaurav, is that by today evening, there could be a meeting of all these three leaders, and then tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we can expect a decision also coming in from the top Mahayuti leadership. What we are told is that these three leaders are likely to go, Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde are likely to go tonight in Delhi. They are going to attend the reception of marriage of Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's daughter. there after that itself there could be a meeting with Amit Shah, and then we can expect a decision to be taken. But
what's
one
extremely
thing is clear
interesting,
that it's
Piyush,
going to take
Piyush,
a lot
stay
of
with
time.
me.
It's
We'll
not
carry
going to
this
happen
conversation forward because Ajit Pawar has also weighed in favor of Devendra Fadnavis. But all eyes on that big question: who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra?